In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily change a contact's name in WhatsApp. Changing a contact's name can be useful if you want to personalize their profile or update their information. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the conversation with the contact whose name you want to change. Then tap on their name at the top left. And then tap Edit. Now you can change their first name and their last name. Once you've changed their name, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.